everybody, it's Jody here and welcome back to my channel, or hello for the very first time. So today I wanted to share with you guys something crafty that I did. Holy crap, yes, it was crafty. Anyone who knows me in my day-to-day, like outside of YouTube, real world, knows that I am not a crafty person. I crochet a little bit, but I haven't been able to do that a lot because of the puppy and my hands acting up. I've made some things to go along sort of with Halloween costumes and steampunk costumes and that sort of thing, but that's pretty much where Jody's craftiness lies. But I did something this weekend that I am so excited about, was dirt cheap, and I'm just like a happy little camper. I did this. Look, it's shiny, guys. So I love my vanity personally to be kind of glitzy and glamoury and get me in the mood, but I'm also can be quite cheap. If I'm gonna pay 30 bucks for this thing that just holds tools, or I'm gonna pay 30 bucks to get the new blush, or 50 bucks to get the new palette, you guys know my devotion and my money is gonna go towards the makeup and the tools themselves, and not so much the things that they sit in. So I was at the dollar store the other day, you know, buying shoelaces and useless crap that you buy at a dollar store, and I found some stuff that made me super stoked. So I have one of these on my vanity already. This is just like a square clear vase. I originally bought it at the dollar store. They run $2 pop, sticker still on the bottom. They run $2 a pop. My brush collection has gotten so big, I'm like, oh, I should pick up another one of those. But then I started wandering around and I found, oh, you guys, I found some cool stuff. I found this. This is just like your regular sort of ribbon. It's just like a ribbon that you would use for decorating, but it is made up of itty bitty little false sequins. These aren't really real sequins, it's the cut of them that makes them look sequiny. They're really easy to cut apart because each separation, here I'll hold it up, each separation in this has a very easy way to like snip through to get it to the size that you want. So I was like, ooh, that's shiny, that's pretty. And then the next thing that I grabbed, as you guys can see, I've kind of cut some off of it, were these little false pearls. So it comes in a big sheet like this. The back is flat, making them easy to stick on things. And then once again, because of how they're all sewn together, it's really easy to snip them down to whatever size that you need. So I have one of these in my basket all ready to go to accommodate my ever-growing makeup brush collection. And I saw this stuff and went, you know what? I can do this. I have an idea. I can do this. So basically all you need to do this craft, this is all you need. You need a pair of scissors. Not big scissors, little scissors, I don't care. Your nose hair snippers will work because the strings that you're cutting are very, very small. And some glue. For mine personally, I use good old-fashioned crazy glue. Super glue would work. Anything that's going to adhere to both glass and plastic. So look around your house. You might already have something there that would work out that'll adhere to both glass and plastic. You might have to buy something. Just so you guys know, I bought all my crazy glue for this project at the dollar store, and they were a buck a tube. And I only use one tube. This one's empty, that's why it doesn't have the little Pokemon thing in the bottom anymore. Your next big step is take this sucker, wrap it around it, cut it down to size, and start gluing. That's it. That's it. Start gluing. Take this, wrap it around it, measure it out, cut it to size, start gluing. That's it. So I'll show you guys in this one. You guys will see I did a row of the silver, I did a sheet of the silver, I put the pearls in the middle, and then I did another row of silver on the bottom. It didn't quite measure up and there's a little space of glass at the bottom, but I'm actually just fine with that. Looking at it up close, I have to tell you guys, it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but I set it down on my vanity and it just looked so glamorous. You guys will see my brushes in here all standing up, separated. This is something that I've done for a while, is I buy these. These are just your basic little vase filling beads. The intention of these is basically for any of your silk or dried floral arrangements to help them stand up, help the flowers stand up. But they do the exact same thing for your brushes. A package of these runs $2. I personally have only half a package in the bottom of this one. I might add a little bit more just to give them a little bit more stability. The big thing to know with those is because you're going in and out, because they are plastic, that eventually on some of your maybe shiny or printed on sort of brushes, sometimes down towards the end, it will start to wear them out. It just wears off the top kind of shininess. The nice thing I like about it is someone who's a little bit picky is it stands them up. They don't lean into each other and smash up and bend the bristles. I like them because it's also really easy to put them away neatly without having to dig through a bunch of brushes. I just love it. I love using those. I've been using them for years. I've just jazzed up my cheap vases now. Okay, so let's add this up. What did this project cost me? $2 for the vase. It was $1.50 for the ribbon and $1.50 for the pearls, so we're up $5. And then the vase filler stuff was $2 a package. What I've done is I've split it half into each vase. You can use a whole one if you want to. So basically for under $10, I can make 2 custom shiny vases. You can mix and match. They had different shiny patterns, the whole 9 yards. I have looked online at Etsy, in stores, to find something that I really liked, that got my mojo going, that was sparkly, that I could keep my brushes in. It would give me a little bling bling in my life. And everything was like, I think the cheapest thing I found was like 16 bucks. And I was just like, I can't justify 16 bucks for a container to hold my brushes. So if you guys are cheap like me and you're not crafty like me, this is something you can do. If I can do this, you can do this. Please let us all know down in the comment section down below what kind of other DIY vanity sort of stuff you guys have done to make your vanity your special place. My vanity is my me space. It's my time. It's the place that I go that gives me joy, and I relax and I create and have fun. I want my space to reflect that. The things sitting on top of my vanity are how I do that. I would love to know how you guys personalize your space. All right, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, dilemmas, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And as always, guys, thank you for stopping by and enjoying my lovely homemade shininess.